So with all the travel restriction issues and confusion that they've created, the best place we thought of going was the Beddegana Wetland Park. Speaking of travel issues, we were supposed to be here at 6:30 a.m. but this bugger forgot.
I have no idea why.
This bugger forgot about it. He's an accountant. God bless whoever is handling accounts for.
Hi guys, today we are here in the middle of this spa. I don't know
Why did you come here with me?
because you wanted me to go.
What's that? Did you probably tell? What are you looking for in this park, Musni?
Still have no clue. We have no clue.
Why, what's the confusion?
There's no concept in this.
Whatever it is, free little bro.
I got played.
You got late, that everyone
I got
knows.
played, bro.
Ah, you
I
got played. Why?
Late,
Why?
it's what the fuck?
Why? No, I said that you got late. That's what I heard. How were you saying? So this is the final view. Move away. That's the final view. What does this mean, Muslim?
Shall we write our name on it?
We should write our name.
Yeah.
Abdul plus M. Abdul
Whoa.
plus Musni. Huh?
Yeah.
We don't recommend doing all of those stuff here. You might get caught.
So, how are we supposed to say fish?
There is no fish, even though they say there is fish and shit here. Sponsored by DFCC Bank, fucking scam.
Look at the fish. Like,
Let's see the fish now. Let's see.
it's a fucking brain, dude.
No. Give it some time. Give it some time.
The fish will come up.
Yeah, it'll come up. Give it some time. No, there's no fish.
The dogs came with a couple.
Exactly. Seeing dogs also sneaking out over here. They think they can fool us running into the bushes all of a sudden. We caught them in the act. Sad it lasted only like 10 seconds or something, but anyways. Some crocodiles here, we're gonna see some shit now.
Yeah.
Can properly notice this. Yeah, yeah. are those psychology terms you're talking about, Muslim? Tell.
No,
I wanted to vlog more, but I can't talk once I turn the camera on. Useless bugger.
anxiety kicks in.
Anxiety. What's Mosh?
Mosh is like the one of the old famous, really popular YouTube channel.
Uh-huh.
This guy, you know Ryan Higa, right?
No.
You don't know Ryan Higa?
Who's Ryan Higa?
Nigga Higa?
Bro, you're not supposed to say that word, you know that?
That's his name, dude. So we're finally done with the visit.
Yeah. How much would you rate this place? Huh?
I
Must visit or what?
Kinda 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
It's just trees, dude. But videos came out great, like really good.
Yeah, that we'll see in the editing only, so.